Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're gonna be doing the roll part of the dunk and roll. All right, my cakes. They've been hydrating for over 24 hours, and nice and moist. And you can see I left the pins on, and they're perfectly fine. I read somebody saying that they're gonna turn black and rot away. Pfft, gotta be careful who you listen to sometimes. Gotta do it yourself. That's what you know. If you believe everybody, and you're not gonna experience it. So, the black gold vermiculite. I noticed that they pin a lot. The other cakes are not pinning as fast as the ones I roll with the black vermiculite. So this stuff is pretty good. Stuff works. So I'll roll them like that, cover them, just like a piece of chicken that you would with the spices. And then I got the foil in there, and you want to stick them on the foil. Put them on the foil. You don't want them sitting right on the perlite. There's a reason why you put them on the foil. Keep them off that perlite. And that's pretty much it. I only got 4 cakes to roll. Some people say that they use the vermiculite off the top of the jars, and they use that to roll their cakes in. But I don't think that's a wise decision, because the stuff on top of the jars is a filter, and all the contaminants are being filtered. That's what keeps the contaminants out. So if there are any contaminants, they're going to be stuck in that layer. So vermiculite's cheap. Just use brand new vermiculite. Don't use the stuff from your jars. And then I'm going to show you guys this right here. All right, these small cakes. I stack them. I noticed the ones I stacked are pinning, and the ones I didn't stack, there's just nothing on them. So I read that, and that's the reason why I did it, and just test it, and it works. So stack the 4-ounce jars on top of each other. You don't have to stick a layer of vermiculite between them. You can just stick them right on top of each other. Like I won't even put I won't put vermiculite on this side right here, on top right here. I'm gonna leave it because there's already one of it there. You can, but I don't. So that's the way I do it. And that's because it works. And then you just stack them. Well, I'm not going to stack them. I already got this because there's a lot of room. I don't know. We'll see. I might just leave them like that. Keep the experiment alive. And that's it. And you waste all this, and so what? It's a cup of vermiculite. And then what we'll do is put this in with the rest of the other chambers, and put a light, cover it, and that's it. You're ready to go. And that is the end of the dunk and roll. Alrighty, talk to you next time. Oh yeah, and use gloves because you don't want your hands. And alcohol spray. Don't forget, this stuff is a miracle. Spray everything.